What's one?
It says biting.
Hello?
Okay, I'm going to meet you over here.
So, Charlie, the lady's going to tell us about feathers. And which ones?
Is it whistling like the woo woo? Pretty birdie, birdie, birdie. Such a pretty birdie, birdie, birdie. Are you a pretty birdie, birdie? Such a pretty birdie, birdie. Such a pretty birdie, birdie. So, I have to get all the birds.